Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing these new Milwaukee pruning shears. All right, let's get into it. Up at Home Depot the other day as one of those don't tell my wife purchases, so we'll see how well they do. It's like any of the other guys for the Milwaukee. It should be pretty neat. Cool. So nice. Has a little handle, little like go and drop it. It is a little heavy. Comes with a guard for the shears. Boom, 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 boom. Different modes, an on button. Pretty cool, right out of the box. Fits all M12. And then you get your instruction manual and then the brochure guide, and nothing else in there, just what it came with. So today we're going to test this guy with a 2.0, a 4.0, and a 6.0. I don't really think it's going to change much. The power maybe, and the quickness maybe, but we'll see. Yeah. So I'm just going to throw in that 2-pointer. So batteries come up here, but you do have to turn it on right there. We got a green, and then kind of nice. I don't know if you can see the battery holder. There you go. Full battery on that. You can do little trigger motions. But you have to, because there's a safety, you have to click down the safety. Boom. Throw the 4.0 on, see if it changes anything. It does change the weight distribution. Well, you still gotta turn it on every time. Also, this has 2 modes. One's a huge cut, one small cut. I'm gonna switch the cuts. And then if I wanna switch it back, I'll go bigger cut. Does seem like it's a little faster with the 4.0. So let's test it with the 6. Remember, turn it back on. I got green, 6. Yeah, 6 is gonna kill it. It's gonna be good. So, okay. So I'm just gonna throw on the 2 because let's just do that. I'd rather use the 6 all the time, but you know. Turn it back on. Yeah, it's sluggish. All right, let's go test some things with it. Like no problem. This is with the 2. Yeah, look at that, right down. No problem at all. Even with that, it's still got full battery. We'll go check something else. Definitely have some dead stuff there. Let's just grab a branch. like butter, nothing. I'll even switch the modes so we can go a little smaller stuff. So we're just gonna cut a little bit of these small guys, just so you can see. Clip. This is for, like, you know, if you want to prune little flowers, just little snips. So just there. Meh. This guy is just getting it to the knuckle there. As you can see, one little punch, clipped. Really nice cut too. Like, it doesn't like stress out anything, which is kind of cool. Like this guy, I know for Vag, he's definitely dying. So I'm gonna have to cut this one down sooner or later. Easy. And that's like, it's on that little small mode right there. So I want to switch it back, and now I'm gonna go wider so I can get bigger stuff. This guy's a little bit thicker, almost to the point where it's almost too thick. And let's see. That was pretty easy. Try again. Really easy. One more time. Pretty good. Okay, so this is gonna actually help you with your little grippies. So you're not getting your hands getting carpal tunnel. This might be for like the older like workers, but this thing goes on both. And you turn it back off, and now it's a nice little like guy here. But yeah, all in all, I think this is gonna be great. I did pick it up as like a purchase I probably shouldn't need it. So this is a don't tell my wife purchase. Yeah, it's pretty great. Not gonna lie. So with the full capacity right now, the opening, that is about an inch and a quarter. So anything that's an inch and a quarter, you can put in that. It does say do not put your hands or anything in there. There is no safety thing, because if you do, it's gone. There's no sensor, there's no nothing. You're just doing that. So yeah, so this is like an inch and a quarter, and that's like the big mode. So if you switch it to the other mode, and then you're going about like a 5/8 open. So those are for your small guys. But yeah, and I'm rocking just like this. Like, it's just a little two battery. So, and so even if you don't want to use like the higher end batteries, like the 4s or even the 6s or even higher, like you probably can get done a whole day with the 2. Just with this, if you're pruning a lot. And if you're not pruning a lot, I don't know. I think this thing is gonna game change a lot of stuff, because there's a lot of things where like I don't have a pruner, and I should have brought a pruner, and it's a lot tougher than I thought. So yeah, I think it was almost like 250 bucks at Home Depot. So this guy, I'm really impressed by it. So yeah, cool. So this is my initial, you know, unboxing and review of this guy. I'll probably do another review in a couple of months of like actually working with it. But from the get-go, I don't know, the ergonomics is pretty nice. And like, I love the fact that it will just use a 2, because everything comes with 2s. And I have a bunch of them, and if I can actually find a use other than like a flashlight with this, that'd be great. A flashlight for the 2s, that'd be great. So yeah, I like it. It's a good buy. We'll see how it goes. If you like this video and you want to see other ones like this, I'm gonna make them all the time. I do make them all the time. What am I saying? I have a bunch over on the side. Also, I have lawn transformation videos. So if you can, leave a comment. Have you tried these guys out? Leave a like, and subscribe if you can. I'll see you guys in the next one, and I hope you guys have a good day.